Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try super energetic breakfast that can go with any chutney and which is also simple to make. So let's get into the video. I have a carrot, cucumber, bottle gourd, coriander leaves, curry leaves, onion, chili and ginger. You can add any other vegetables that you needed. I'm sparkling a tablespoon of ginger and salt as per my taste and 2 cups of besan powder. You can increase or decrease as per your batter. I'm using curd to mix the batter over here. Don't use the water if it is a less quantity because the bottle gourd have enough water. Mix until you get that round and perfect dough like this. And take a little bit of dough and spread it over the pan. With a gentle movement of your hand, spread it all over the pan. Don't worry, you're not going to hurt your hand while spreading the batter. And add little bit of oil, butter as per your needs. And close the lid for a couple of minutes. And remove the lid after that and flip it over the roti. And make sure it has been cooked well the other side also. After a couple of minutes, fill it in your plate and go with any chutney that you like. That's it. Enjoy your breakfast, which will make you full for a longer period of time and also boost your taste buds. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe for more such videos and also which gives me a motivation for me to make new videos. Thank you. See you on the next.